A rough start to the day. I don't think it's going to get much better through the morning commute, Evan.
That's exactly right. You can see we're looking out at our patio on the South Hill here. Take a look at those snow accumulations that we've got outside. We are looking at a 17-inch snow depth. Thanks to 5 inches of additional fresh snow overnight. We saw 5 inches from Sunday into Monday, now 5 additional inches from Monday and now into Tuesday. The thing is, this wet weather isn't going anywhere. That's the downside if obviously you're having trouble out on those roads or if you're not a fan of the snow. If you are a fan, well, let's just say the upcoming weekends are going to be good ones to get out and about because those ski resorts are going to be looking good because plenty of fresh snow has fallen, more snow on the way. Here's what we got as far as those precipitation chances over the next several hours. We're holding kind of steady, just around 40 to 50% for the remainder of your day. The important thing to note on here is that there is a transition possible into rain as temperatures warm up. So we're going to be seeing that happen just around the 9 to 10 o'clock hour. What we'll likely be seeing is maybe some transition into freezing rain, if not a little bit of rain-snow mixture as those temperatures begin to warm up. Spokane is kind of right on the edge of that mixture. So here's what we've got: 1 to 3 inches of additional snow if we do see that in the next couple hours. That's what we'll be seeing between now and say 10 a.m. is snow. But what we see is breezy afternoon winds. Those winds are going to be picking up in the afternoon to the possible 20 to 30 mile per hour range for gusts. Sustained winds probably going to remain in the teens. That means a similar situation to what we saw on your Friday of last week, where a little bit of that snow that's already on the ground can kind of get pushed upward, and any snow that's falling down can be pushed maybe sideways. So a mixture of that snow and maybe some of those snow devils on the ground as we go on with the rest of the day. A transition to rain and warmer afternoon temperatures is what we'll be seeing. This is all thanks to our satellite jet stream, where you can see that southwesterly flow as opposed to that northerly flow. So what we usually see is all of our cooler temperatures coming from Canada, from up above. We're not going to be seeing that going into the next several hours. We're going to be seeing our air come in from the southwest, and that's what's warming us up quite a bit. So here's what we saw over the last 20 hours. Those temperatures were actually rising as opposed to sinking into the overnight hours. So we were at 6 degrees yesterday at 9 a.m. Look how we warmed up as the day went on. We stuck just around 20 degrees, made our way up to 21, 22, 23, and now we are at 24 degrees to start off our Tuesday morning. You can see on Future Tracker the transition that we see. By noon, we're right on the edge of it. There's a little bit of snow here in Spokane. Otherwise, we're looking at a possibility of rain. That's all that green there. And then as we continue on with your day, it becomes even closer to Spokane, those chances of rain. So we could be seeing kind of a mixture of the two or one or the other. It's really tough to tell. By the time we get to Wednesday, so tomorrow at 6 a.m., about full 24 hours from now, we're looking at a good chance of just snow throughout the northwest, and that means more snow on top of what we've already got. On the 7-day forecast, temperatures are just going to be around those mid-30 degree range. Valentine's Day looks to be going down to about 31 degrees, but clearer skies going into your Valentine's Day. Then as we hit your weekend, Friday, Saturday, return to that light snow. So it looks like for the next week or so, we're going to be sticking around with that wet weather. 519 right now, and looks like we will be right back after a quick break.